Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best compost tumblers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Mantis Compact Compost Tumbler. When you need to clear and transport more compost at once, it is necessary to check for a unit that has a large drum capacity. Here is an 88-gallon unit that will suit your clearance and transportation needs. It has a 30-gallon trash bag. That said, the unit tumbler has built-in air vents on the top for excellent air ventilation into the drum. It is a compact unit that is enclosed to eliminate the odor plus keeps away pests and pets. More interestingly, the unit also has a barrel with a removal door allowing for quick and efficient loading and unloading. Designed from BPA-free galvanized steel material and finished in black powder coat, it serves longer plus resistant to both rust and corrosion. The quality built also ensures that it is sturdy enough to support it when loaded. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Spin Bin 60 gallons Tumbling Compost Bin. Do you need the ultimate composite tumbler for your home? This is a high-quality unit you will find convenient thanks to the superior strong steel legs and rugged thick plastic built. Because of this, the unit will guarantee years of performance and better stability. In addition to this, it has a large capacity of 60 gallons, which means that it will serve you longer without unloading. It is elementary to assemble with the step-by-step guide included. The unit is rust and corrosion resistant, which perfectly suits it for outdoor use. To keep pests and pets away, it is a fully insulated unit. It has been equipped with a total of 20 ventilation slots plus a larger interior airflow system. The unit also has a dual mixer, which allows for easy mixing of the composite. At number 3, we have the EJWOX Composting Tumbler. For continuous composting, this is an efficient tumbler with a dual-chamber composition bin. With this, you can begin filling one when the other one is almost done, hence you will never run out of composite. Secondly, it allows for convenient loading thanks to the ideal height, which allows you to put the cart under it. It is a sturdier and stable unit that has been constructed from powder-coated steel frames, hence guarantees years of performance. The galvanized body also implies that it is rust and deterioration resistant. Finished in multi-colors, you can now find the perfect color that will suit you. The tumbler has a capacity of 43 gallons, which provides more space for making more composite. Additionally, it also has an ingenious tumbler design that allows for easy control and balance. It also features a better aeration system to allow for improved airflow to fasten the composition process. At number 2, we have the Miracle-Gro single-chamber 22.7 gallons garden compost bin. In smaller spaces that cannot accommodate bigger composite tumblers, this is a great unit that will suit you. It has a sleek compact design so that you can use it even in smaller spaces. Apart from this, the unit has a capacity of 22.7 gallons, which is larger enough for composing more material. The good news is that it composes in just 4 to 6 weeks and great a pick for kitchen use. Furthermore, it has been designed from the highest quality of metal that will serve you longer. Moreover, it is a widely applicable unit that you can use in the porch, patio, rooftop, or balcony among other spaces. The strong sturdy feet are stable enough to accommodate the weight and guarantee a longer life. And finally, at number 1, we have the FCMP Outdoor Composter Tumblers. As a beginner, this is a fantastic tumbler that you will find fantastic for composing. The unit has 8-sided dual chamber, which offers an excellent tumbling. It has been equipped with strong and sturdy steel frames that will serve you better and longer. Other than this, it has a total of 2 composite chambers to ensure that you don't run out of composite. The body has been designed using the best quality of high-density plastic material. This implies that it is a rust and corrosion-resistant unit. To add more, it has an excellent aeration system thanks to the holes on the sides to allow for improved airflow in and out. The unit is also UV resistant so that it provides a longer lifespan even on direct UV rays. The cost-effective unit has been made as also Contact Plus, available in 2 colors to choose from depending on your preferred options. With a capacity of 37 gallons, it provides adequate space that will compose more composite. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.